Here are different tips to organize and decorate your home in a practical and creative way. 1. Declutter regularly. Remove unnecessary items and donate or store things you don't use. Keep only essential and meaningful decor pieces to maintain a clean look. 2. Smart storage solutions. Use baskets, boxes, and shelves to store everyday items neatly. Opt for furniture with built-in storage like ottomans, beds with drawers, or storage benches. Label storage containers for easy access. 3. Maximize wall space. Install floating shelves to display books, plants, or decorative items. Hang mirrors to create an illusion of more space and enhance light. Use wall hooks or racks for coats, bags, or keys to reduce clutter. 4. Balance colors and textures. Choose a calming color palette that reflects your style, neutral for minimalism, bold tones for vibrancy. Mix textures such as wood, metal, glass, and fabric for visual interest. Add soft touches with cushions, rugs, and curtains. 5. Create functional zones. Define areas in your home for reading, working, or relaxing. Use rugs or furniture placement to separate spaces in open-plan rooms. 6. Use lighting effectively. Layer lighting, ambient ceiling lights, task lamps, and accent spotlights. Choose warm lights for cozy areas like bedrooms and bright white for kitchens or workspaces. Add decorative lamps or balance. Low-maintenance plants like succulents or snake plants work best for busy lifestyles. 8. Personalize with decor. Display family photos, artwork, or travel souvenirs. Use deck or wall art that reflects your personality. Mix modern and traditional elements for uniqueness. 9. Keep surfaces clean. Avoid overcrowding coffee tables, countertops, and desks. Keep daily essentials in. 10. Seasonal updates. Refresh decor with seasonal changes, lighter fabrics in summer, cozy throws in winter. Add seasonal flowers, candles, or themed accents for variety. Sparkles. A well-organized and decorated home should be functional, cozy, balance, keeping it clutter-free while adding personal touches that reflect your lifestyle. Would you like me to also create a room-by-room guide, living room, bedroom, kitchen, etc. with specific organizing and decorating tips?